Okay. What am I going to do first? Is that snail?
What's up, guys? It's your girl Rane, and Mr. Ojo is here. Today is my birthday. We found ourselves in Rosemont, Illinois, and we came to this restaurant called Tasty Savor. And what we have in front of us right now, we have lots of food, whole tilapia fish. Ooh, whole tilapia fish. We got some pounded yam, some egusi soup, jollof rice, and hubby's favorite, pepper soup. Yes. So we are going to say our grace and then we are going to get it in.
Oh. Alright, I'm ready to eat. Okay.
Amen.
Amen.
Stop playing.
Oh, I can't wait.
You can't wait. You need to always bless over your food. I thought you always blessed over your food. You never blessed over your food?
Mm-hmm.
How is it? Is it hot?
Mm-hmm.
All this stuff is hot. Ooh!
It's all over my brain.
You know I have to get some of that. I gotta at least taste it. It's been a long time since I had some pepper soup. Yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Must be good, huh, babe? We may not have to go to the sugar factory after this. You know what, babe? We could just go there for dessert. Well, just for like maybe like appetizers and a dessert. Babe, you need to try this. You want me to open up your fish? Well, take them off.
Glasses. Jollof rice tastes different. It's the original one.
Thank you.
Original jollof rice.
Oh. Mmm.
It tastes different.
It's good.
Original.
Put some with my soup. Are you sharing your fish?
Ooh.
Okay, so when I watch other African mukbangers on YouTube, it's like they take turns, or like you can't eat the meat right away.
Mm-hmm.
Why is that? It's like they save it for last or something. It tastes really like fresh, and like it's not too heavy. It's got a really nice flavor to it. I love it. Are you happy?
I'm okay.
I always see is his name Lamb? Is he Lamb?
Ooh.
Oh, Lincoln Lamb.
Yeah.
He's Lamb.
I don't even know which one is like a lamb.
Oh. Yeah, take off the jacket.
Okay, time to attack.
That's really good. It's a lot of bones. Man, that fish tastes like they just got it out of the sea.
Oh, yeah.
Like it don't taste like it was previously frozen. I'm just afraid of swallowing bone.
For the soup.
For the tilapia. I don't think there's any fish in here.
Savor taste. Taste the savor.
Tasty Savor in Rosemont, Illinois. I must have a cut somewhere on my thumb. It's burning.
Excuse me, sir. All right. Thank you.
Thank you. I can't use my thumb anymore. Whatever it is burning really bad. Did you post a picture yet? I'm surprised you didn't get any get any yet. You look really happy. Want any of this beef? You want any of this beef? It don't taste fishy. It tastes real fresh. My thumb is burning. It's like I want to eat it with my hands, but
You have 5 fingers, just use the one that's not.
yeah, but I need my thumb to grab. I think you'll eat those. Those are notifications from PlayStation. It's just crazy how the food is this amazing, right? And yet there's nobody in here. It's like, and it's got 4.5 stars on Google. If you are ever in this area, come try Tasty Savor. In Illinois, Rosemont, Illinois. It's just a shame for this place to be this empty and the food is this fresh and amazing. That's really good. See, this is what I'm talking about when we should do the whole fish. Thank you, baby. Something about that. Tastes real like buttery smooth.
Yeah.
I'm full. Whew. I feel good. I feel good. Whew.
Well, okay with you?
Is this like Tasty Savor?
Yeah, Tasty Savor is good.
Okay, you know fufu?
What?
You sell fufu?
Fufu? Yeah.
You do?
You can check the menu, it's here.
You know, we have the menu already, it's just a name. Just throwing them out.
Man. I'm glad you found this place.
Anything
not right now.
To go or for here?
To go.
Oh my gosh.
How you doing?
How's the food?
Oh my gosh. We came all the way from Milwaukee.
Oh, from Milwaukee, yeah.
And we got what you're ordering, the egusi soup with the pounded yams. It's really good.
It's okay, good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we was nervous for a minute.
Pepper soup.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
It's all good. It's
Okay.
very good.
Mhm.
And you get good portions too.
Okay, good.
This was the egusi soup.
Okay. You see that crap? Yeah, like the name says Tasty Savor on it.
We did the same thing, like, are we in the right place?
And then you come in like gyros, like what?
Right.
And then when you came from the back, I was really confused, like, are we in the right place?
Right. Right.
But then the lady came from the back, I was like, okay.
Yeah. Okay, nice to know we're in the same boat.
Yeah, but it's good.
All right, good.
Yeah.
My daughter's a fan of it.
Well, my husband is Nigerian, so he
Okay.
definitely
This
a
is
fan of it.
approval, yeah.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
Hi, how are you, sir?
Hello.
Oh, you can see. So, you want
Yes.
and
Yes.
what kind of meat? We have tilapia and we have a sauce. What's the sauce? A sausage meat and we have tilapia. A sausage meat comes with fowl leg, chicken, beef.
I get chicken, please.
Or like, do you want to cook?
Right now, just one plate. I was trying to decide what I want. So, it just threw me off.
I'm full, babe.
Oh, babe.
It was so
Okay, just
good.
want to try it. You want to try the food? You want
Yes.
to, so this is your first time?
Yeah. So I gotta decide.
Okay.
But right now, you can just bring this up. All right.
Oh, sorry, babe.
We have shawarma wrap, we have chicken, we have jalapeno, we have kebab. Is it for your
Yes.
everything is $17.60.
Can't believe it.
Oh, how big is the football? How big is the ball? Great big?
I will show
Is that
you.
about big enough? Or you still want to?
It was pretty
Get
big.
one. Yeah.
Okay.
Get one.
Okay. All right. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, we actually from Joliet.
Hmm.
Yeah, we were up here for the funeral, so she was asking if there was anything in the area. So we looked
Oh,
around,
okay.
like, one of the closest places.
We did, well, today is my birthday, so,
Congratulations.
oh, thank you. Thank you. So we were gonna go to Sugar Factory, which is gonna be my first time going.
Okay.
It's really nice.
It is? Well, I want that King Kong sundae, but I'm not about to spend like $150 for 24 scoops of ice cream. I can't do it. So I was like, honey, look for a place for us to just have like some lunch right quick. But it's like after eating this, it's like, I'm so full now. But we're gonna go to the Sugar Factory for some dessert there.
Okay.
So.
They give you like this like big thing, and you can put like dry ice in it, like bubbles out.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to look for that. That sounds exciting. Okay, look at you, Mr. Ojo.
What?
You look like you're enjoying yourself, babe. Oh, I'm
Do you
full.
know how you can take the
Bones?
meats and
Oh, the
fish
beef.
off the bone?
Uh-huh. You know what? That's what I just did. I did the same thing, just kind of like sucked it right off of the bone.
Yeah.
But the way I've seen those African mukbangers, how the amount of bones that they be spitting out their mouth while they're eating,
Mm-hmm.
it's like, how do they not choke?
They cannot choke. It's their experience. You have to use
Well,
your
I'm
tongue
not old.
to suck
No,
it out.
it's kids in here, so I'm gonna behave.
And
You're very good at that, Mr. Ojo.
a lot of bones though. It's a lot of them.
It's a whole fish. I want to eat some more, but what's this? This. I'm gonna suck on some too.
Suck on the head.
No, thank you.
The fish head.
That's the fish head you was
Look at
talking
your
about.
eyes.
No, thank you. I forgot we were recording.
This is the fish.
Excuse me.
Yes.
How's the pepper soup?
It's definitely got a kick to it.
Yeah.
Actually, it's not overly spicy. Me personally, being an American, they've got meat in there that I'm not familiar with.
Okay.
Yeah.
But the overall, like the broth and some of the meat in it is really good.
Okay. I've been seeing some people on YouTube, they just put a big old pot of stuff down. It's like, I don't know what it is to just be going at it.
Mm-hmm.
So
It's a lot of different like assortments of meats in it.
Yeah.
Like this, if you look at this right here, I don't know what the heck this is.
That's a cow
My-
meat.
My husband calls it meat, but
That's a cow meat.
that's too much gelatinous stuff that I can't eat that. I saved that for him.
What dish is that?
This is the egusi soup with
That's it.
assorted
It's
meats.
just a- yeah.
Oh, with assorted meat.
So I
Okay.
guess you can have it with whatever you want.
And
Okay.
that's
But-
the pepper soup with the.
And this was the whole tilapia
the-
fish.
Oh, okay. And what's in the bowl?
That was the pepper
Pepper
soup.
Okay.
But it
So what goes good with the fufu?
egusi or any type of soup really.
Okay.
Anytime, yeah.
But the egusi soup, which is my absolute favorite.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you can pick whatever meat you want.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Mm.
Okay. So you got chicken. They gotta do the beef.
That's a good either beef or chicken is what I would normally go with. I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
I saved that for him.
Okay.
Don't eat all the fish up for
Excuse
me.
me. Can you get the lady down or make an order?
What?
I'm gonna make an order.
Yeah, what kind of bird?
The goosey soup and the fufu. Yeah.
For that order too, so.
Yeah, another order.
Egusi.
Yeah, but I want it with the beef. The soup with the beef.
Soup with the beef?
Yes.
Alright.
Can't cut it.
Look at that.
I'm making a mess.
Satisfied.
That's pretty good.
Sorry, man. Oh, excuse me.
Then we have to make sure back.
Man,
Mm.
I'd come back here just for this.
Right.
I definitely would.
She'll take order from you, alright?
Okay, thank you. Carly, you want to do that?
You want this one?
Mm-hmm. Thank you. You got enough? Okay.
Can or bottle? Can or bottle? I'm gonna say this.
We gotta record how it looks after we're done. I feel like I'm gonna be full till tomorrow.
No.
Yes, I made another order. And then this is soup with beef. Okay. Oh, near Joliet, or Plainfield. Okay.
Can you say that again?
Near Plainfield?
Yes.
Yes. Long way.
So much flavor in
You know
there.
about this one?
Not really.
You just want to try it.
Yes, because my daughter, she knows.
Okay. She's going to teach you how to do it.
Yeah.
It's not too spicy. And it's sweet. That's what I like. Nice.
Good, I know.
Ooh, the danger.
What is that bone? Thank God that you are able to prepare that.
The last one.
You mind if I end it? You mind if I end it?
Yeah.
All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining us, but we are about to get out of here. Hubby is going to finish up the last of his meal, and then we are going to get out of here. Thanks for joining. If you want to see us upload again, just hit the notification bell, comment, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. Until then, you guys have a fabulous day. Bye! Hubby is happy.
Those are my children.